Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View in association with Petzl. We begin the new week with a front passing eastwards across the country. Now we've got cold conditions still in existence across the mountains, so this will give some snowfall pretty extensively across the hills and mountains for a few hours. That will then break up to become showery from the west as the day goes on. Some of those showers heavy with some hail and a risk of thunder mixed in. It's a windy day, generally gale force winds frequently through the day across the mountains, maybe some variation just at times. Temperatures then staying sub-zero across all the higher tops. We're watching though a developing storm system coming in from the southwest heading onwards through Tuesday. Some very stormy conditions for Ireland. Winds will increase everywhere across the British Isles, and there's also some extensive precipitation moving in, and that has the prospect to give widespread upland snowfalls as we head deeper into Tuesday daytime. Soonest across Wales and more western regions, turning a bit wetter though for Wales, but the snow could well fall to fairly low elevations across the hills of northern England and into the southern parts of the Highlands as well, for blizzard conditions setting in here as the winds strengthen to gale or even severe gale force. That's the very active looking synoptic chart for Tuesday. A deteriorating day then. Northern Scotland getting away with the driest conditions for longest, but do be aware of the powerful winds coming on as the day develops. Southeasterlies that could well give some very powerful gusts in places to lower slopes. Detail sketchy into Tuesday. The idea of low pressure being in charge though, circulating areas of precipitation, a mix of rain and hill snow. Snow could well be quite constant at times across the eastern side of the Highlands. The freezing level drifting up to around 600 to 800 metres, so mostly rain lower down. The prospect for some powerful winds in places still. Easterlies across much of northern Britain could well be gale force. Now later in the week it's expected to stay generally cold across the mountains, terrain frozen and above 600 to 800 metres. A quieter day in prospect for Thursday, 1 or 2 showers, many places looking dry, a few mist and fog patches possible. A front coming in from the west though needs watching later on as we knock that on into Friday. That front lurking around with some areas of snow possible. Wind speeds may vary quite considerably across the country, some local lulls. Temperatures then maybe just a bit lower, so that prospect for snow to fall to some lower slopes in places. All your local details then for the next 3 days, every day on the MWIS website. That is your Fleeting View in association with Petzl. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.